Good morning from Luxor, Egypt. Look at this breathtaking view from my hotel room. The mighty Nile River, calm and timeless, and just over there, those colorful hot air balloons rising gracefully into the sky. What a magical start to the day. Now we've arrived at the famous Temple of Hatshepsut, also called Deir el-Bahari. Entry tickets cost around 100 Egyptian pounds for adults, and the temple usually opens from 6 a.m. until about 5 p.m., depending on the season. So it's best to come early in the morning before the sun gets too strong. There is a bit of a walk from the entrance to the temple itself. If you don't feel like walking in the heat, you can take an electric car shuttle. It costs about 5 Egyptian pounds one way. And trust me, it gets very hot here, so bring a hat, sunscreen, and plenty of water. And here it is, the magnificent Temple of Hatshepsut, rising right at the base of these desert mountains. The contrast of the sharp limestone cliffs with the clean, straight lines of the temple is simply stunning. Even from a distance, the view takes your breath away. This temple was built for Queen Hatshepsut, one of the most remarkable women in ancient Egyptian history. She ruled Egypt during the 15th century BC, one of the very few women to become pharaoh. She called herself the daughter of Amun and even wore the false beard of a pharaoh to legitimize her rule. The temple itself was designed by her architect Senenmut, and it served both as a mortuary temple and a place to honor the gods. It is considered one of the masterpieces of ancient Egyptian architecture, unique because of its terraces that seem to blend seamlessly with the cliffs behind. As we walk up the grand staircase, notice the symmetry and harmony in the design. Every line, every pillar, was planned to reflect both power and beauty. The temple almost feels modern in its style, even though it's over 3,000 years old. If you're enjoying this journey so far, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more travel and history explorations. Now we're entering the temple itself. The view from here is incredible. You feel as though you're stepping back in time, into the world of the pharaohs. The main tomb chambers are inside, though much of the temple has been damaged over time. Still, the surviving statues and sanctuaries give us a glimpse of its former glory. Look at these wall paintings, still so vibrant after thousands of years. They tell stories of Hatshepsut's divine birth, her trading expeditions, and her reign as pharaoh. And if you look up, you'll see ceilings painted deep blue with golden stars, representing the night sky. Standing here, it feels like history is whispering all around you. Just nearby, across these hills, lies the famous Valley of the Kings, where the tombs of pharaohs like Tutankhamun are hidden. That's where we'll be heading next in our journey. Thank you so much for joining me today at the Temple of Hatshepsut in Luxor. I hope you enjoyed this trip back in time. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, and share your thoughts. See you in the next video from the Valley of the Kings.
Too many groups have come in, so I'm not really enjoying it because there are just too many people here at the moment. It's a nice, beautiful place. I think you should visit, but just check the time before you come. I think, as I said, come around lunchtime. All these groups, they take them back around 1 o'clock.